Introducing the MEAX Level, a tool for performing high-precision leveling measurements of machinery or other mechanical components. The included 2-axis angle sensor communicates wirelessly via Bluetooth to the MEAX Level application. Once the sensor is placed on the machine bed, the user can quickly determine if the machine is level to an accuracy within 5 microns. Eliminating the need to constantly move between the machine feet and machine bed to check measurements. Adjustments can be made quickly using the real-time data from the app. The dual system includes an additional sensor for measuring roll and pitch on movable machine components. Additionally, the 2 sensors can be used simultaneously to check the parallelism of 2 objects, such as the machine spindle in relation to the machine bed. After measurements are taken, the results are saved on the device and can be shared from a file handling system or through email. The MEAX Level. Modern machine tool leveling, made simple.